Hi everyone, my name is Prabhat and in this video I am going to talk about content delivery network. The content delivery networks refer to geographically distributed a group of servers which work together for the faster delivery of internet content. So let me explain you what the content delivery network is trying to solve the problems. So let's say we have application hosted on one of the server located in Delhi. So this is the origin server and there are number of users who are using this system. They are from the across the globe. So there are users from California, there are users from Sydney, there are users from London, and there are users from Bangalore. So the user from Bangalore may not face high latency because the user from Bangalore are accessing from very nearest location. But these users who are from California, Sydney and London, they are very far from this origin server. So they may experience a very high latency if they want to access the content of the applications. So here the content delivery network server will be handy, and instead using the CDNs, so instead of providing the content from this server, we can provide the content from the CDN server. So if we have, so CDN will be located or nearest to the user. So there are CDN provider who are providing the content across the globe. So in this case, the users who are trying to access the application from Sydney, they can access the content from this server instead of making a direct call to the origin server. So this similarly, the user from London also make a call to the nearest CDN server instead of making a call to the origin server. The benefit will reduce the latency. So user is not required to make a call to this server. Now they can make a call to this server. If the content is not available on this server, then the call will come to the origin server, and the copy of that content will be saved to that nearest that CDN server, and that same copy will be served to the user. So thus in the subsequent request, all the requests will be served by the nearest server. So here the benefit will be, it will be faster because we reduce the latency with adding the CDN server to the nearest location. The next benefit will be we are reducing the load because user is not communicating the origin server again and again. They are only communicating with the server if the content are not available to the nearest servers, which are the CDN server. So CDN is very handy, and most of the companies like Amazon, Netflix and many companies who are using the CDN for the better user experience, for the faster response, and yeah. So I hope I have covered the most of the basic things related to content delivery networks. So if you have any questions, please write in the comment. I'll try to answer your questions. Thanks for watching.